Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install a Samsung Bespoke side-by-side refrigerator in white with beverage center. But first I need to remove my old fridge. Unplug the fridge. Move your fridge to access a water line. Turn off water. Disconnect water line from an old fridge. I'm using groove pliers to do it. Once compression nut is loose, you can untighten it with your hand. When everything is disconnected, remove an old fridge. This is the back of the new fridge. Here's the power cord attached to the fridge and ice maker water line. Now I need to position a new fridge. I'm using a sealing plumber's tape to wrap threads on the water line connection at the back of the refrigerator to ensure a tight seal and to prevent leaks. Attach the end of the water line to the refrigerator connection. First, hand tighten the compression nut. I'm using an adjustable wrench and groove pliers to tighten the nut. Turn on the water. I'm using a paper towel to remove any water that was left when I made the connection. Now when it's dry, make sure that the connection does not have any leaks. Plug in the fridge. Remove all protective plastic film from the fridge. Before sliding the fridge into place, make sure that the water line and the power cord are not pinched. Slide carefully the fridge into place. If you have a long water line like I do, you can secure it with a wire on top of the fridge while you sliding the fridge into place. To level a refrigerator, insert a flat blade screwdriver into a slot on the control lever, turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, and check the level. And adjust the control lever if necessary. The fridge comes with ice scoop and a water pitcher. The power touch sensor makes it even easier to open the door, doing it automatically with a light touch over the sensor. The front door has lots of space to store your groceries. It also has a beverage center with a water pitcher and a water dispenser. With slide-in shelves, you can store large and bulky items more efficiently. On the bottom of the refrigerator, you have a water filter. And it's easy to replace. Also, you have plenty of storage in your freezer. Dual auto ice maker makes two types of ices, cubed ice or ice bites. If ice does not dispense, first remove the ice tray from the fridge and press test button on the bottom of the ice maker. Place the ice tray back in the ice maker. Let the ice maker make ice for 1 to 2 days. And here's how you can keep the scoop in the front part of the ice bucket. Discard the first 2 buckets of ice to remove impurities in the water supply system. This is the next morning. The refrigerator reached the set temperature. The recommended temperature for the fridge is 37 and 0 for the freezer. Discard the first 2 glasses of water. Congratulations on installing your fridge. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.